Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back and to another tutorial for this gorgeous butterfly appliques. Okay, so I show you how I make this. This is the big size for the kit. You receive one big and one small one. Now I do the small one to show you. So yeah, you will have this the applique, so I will put this here. So okay, and I use hot glue, put a little bit glue here. Glue them together. This very fast and easy and turn out gorgeous. So yeah, like so. And the extra you have to use the scissors, turn back here, and you just follow the shape of your butterfly. Just trim. Okay, the extra also. So turn it like so. Hope it's clear, because the second, the tutorial is quite blur. Okay, like so. So you get this. And another side, and I still will use this. Okay, like so. Let us see which side is better. I think this like so. Okay, put the glue. That's very careful because it's quite hot. This one doesn't matter, later we can use the glue and glue it back. Okay, so this one here you can just adjust. Okay, and I will glue this. And you can also add a bead in the center if you want. So like so, and cut the extra. So and the side here. So you got this. Okay, and this here I will and let me check. Yes, okay, let me to grab it up first. Okay, like so. And you can see the side here I use all this bead here. If you have time you can stage, but I love to use hot glue to glue this because it's fast and save time. Okay, so let me do everything nicely. Okay, put my beads here. Open the scissors and okay, and this way I will just put the hot glue put little, yeah, we put little by little, because hot glue is quite fast to dry. Yeah, you can just make the color you like, cause I want to match with this butterfly the underneath. Yeah, so I use this color. So this, oh, burn my hand, hot. Okay, because I checked the camera and I didn't notice my hand already go near the glue. Okay, like so. The extra, you can take it away. Yeah, if you have time, you can, yeah, just stitch it on it. So you got this here. Let's see if need more. So you can just add the glue and put, yeah, okay, like so. And another side. Do the same. So I got this. Okay, this you can trim it if too thick. So this both side. Okay, so you got this butterfly little bit here. If you want, yeah, the edges here also you can put a little bit hot glue around and just stitch. You can stitch also, or you just can glue around the bit. Okay, if you want, yeah, but I just make it like so. And for the middle one, I need to take all this away, and I will clip this, I think 2 or 3. If you have the smaller size, yeah, maybe you can try to with the smaller size, but I don't have the size, I just only have this, so I will use this also. Do this. I think 2 is already enough, yeah, because this is quite big. Put 2. Okay. Okay, 2 enough. And okay, put this here. I'll call this thing. Let me know. I do have to ask Eunice, but Eunice still haven't, yeah, still at school. Eunice, yeah, taught me a lot English, because her English is much more better than me. Sometimes she will correct me when I say wrong. Okay, like so. Okay, yeah, if you don't like to see the glue, you can stitch on it. If you want, you can stay glue around. Maybe we can try, or just like so. I think if the big one you add some little bit here, it will look better. I'm not sure, but just because this is quite small, so I just make it simple. Okay, and for the dangle here, for the small one, I will just put one dangle. So just put a little bit glue and put this dangle bit at the back, and this one, this one maybe we drop. I will stitch. This one I didn't glue it nicely just now. I have to stitch it back, but never mind, I will see. Glue it first. My finger already got used with the hot glue. It's quite thick because I always burn, and already get used to it. Okay, so this is the small one, and this is the big one. Look gorgeous, right? Yeah, if you don't eat the bits here, you can eat like a rhinestone or sequins. Just follow, see to match up with your project. But this one I think is quite pretty. Okay, so this is the third tutorial. If you want, you make it shabby shape, you can put the flower, just whatever you like. I have this kind of the sequins. If you want, you make the purple. If you have the pink or purple applique, you just match with the purple. So I use this one. Okay, so thanks for watching, and let me know what you think for my butterfly. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. And thanks again, everyone, and bye bye. I will come back for another tutorial, and I will see what I will make. I still have no idea yet. Okay, and let me put something underneath, and so you can see it. So let me focus, zoom in. Okay, put nicely, like so. Okay, and thanks again.